Can DoorDash drivers, dashers still make money in 2023 with DoorDash? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Mr. Better Than You, Pedro, DoorDash Santiago, back at you with another video with the RideShare Guy. A lot of content you see recently in the last few months about DoorDash is mostly negative. A lot of drivers in comment sections and various creators' channels are saying they're not making money. I'm not making money. I see a lot of trash. I see a lot of bad stuff. I don't like DoorDash. I'm moving on to other apps. And there is a lot of truth in that. However, while every market is different, most drivers' experiences can be very different. A lot of different opinions and thoughts. I'm going to share with you what I've seen over the last several weeks in my market of St. Louis, Missouri, what I think DoorDash is doing to dashers, drivers, and how I think DoorDash can still be an app you can make money with if you're willing to adapt. Now, I want to get this out of the way first. I do not think, and I am not telling you to take bad offers that don't make you money, offers that compromise you, offers that are not profitable, because we got to make money out here. In 2023, if you are a driver in what DoorDash is calling a diamond zone, and a diamond zone, if you're unfamiliar, is they're telling you getting priority on orders, high-paying orders, which could be $1.50 a mile up to $2 or $2.50 a mile, right? It depends on your market. Each market can be a little bit different, right? They're telling you if your acceptance rate is above 50%, you'll get priority on orders like that. Or if your acceptance rate is above 70, you'll get first priority on orders like that. Now, my acceptance rate the last couple of months, but more specifically all of January, has floated between 72 all the way down to about 53. So it's always been above 50. And I've seen bad orders. I've seen good orders. But the one thing I've noticed is, and I've been doing DoorDash for almost 2 years now, right? I'm seeing big payouts from the beginning. I've never seen orders like these couple that I'm going to show you guys here, to where they're showing me like full payouts, crazy payouts, whether it's on a shop and pay or a regular food delivery, right? And I'm also noticing the app is keeping me much more busy. Don't have a lot of downtime. So I'm not saying they're prioritizing my account, but that is what I've seen that's been very different. So I think if we're looking at DoorDash and thinking DoorDash is doing what they're doing in 2021 or 2022, that has not been my experience. This year, things are changing. How they're sending us things are changing. What they're showing us is changing. The type of orders are changing if you're in a diamond zone. I bring that up for this reason, because all I'm hearing mostly is negative about DoorDash. I'm not making money, like I said in the beginning. I don't like it. I can't make money. I'm seeing bad orders. And most of the people that are saying that have a low acceptance rate, or they're in a market that is either oversaturated or it's just not sustainable. There's various reasons, right? I'm not telling you I have the answer, but mostly you see DoorDash content and it's negative, negative, negative. That's not my experience. And I bring that up because the one thing I've changed was I did the DoorDash reset of my acceptance back in October, early November. I reset my acceptance rate, which was always in the 20s. I reset it, and I've been able to keep it above 50%. It hasn't been that difficult. I've had to take some questionable orders here and there, but I did it to kind of test the theories out and to see what was really happening out there. And this week, I average over $30 an hour with DoorDash. I think that's probably above the normal average of most dashers based on the experiences I've seen. Now, am I saying it's because I have a higher acceptance rate than normal? I'm not sure. But I will say this, if you're in a diamond zone, I do see benefits to it. I have seen benefits to it. So the question for you today, and I know this will be an unpopular opinion because I don't have a big amount of data and stats to back it up yet. It's a very small amount. But my question to you is, if you're somebody that was working DoorDash and you stopped and you went to a different app or you went to something else and you're still not making good money with what you've done to try to adapt, maybe you come back to DoorDash and you try some things a little bit different and you might see better results. Because at the end of the day, DoorDash is changing. They've adapted their algorithms. They've adapted what they show us. They've always done that. From the beginning till now, they will always adapt. Are you going to be willing to adapt and try to make money with the app? Or will you just fold and try something else? And if you tried something else, if it's not working, is it really bad to try something else with DoorDash? It does have the most market share. It does keep most drivers, it's going to send you a lot, whether it's good or bad. The opportunities could be there. And I look at these apps as opportunities. DoorDash in 2023 has changed. Will you change with it, or will you do something else? That's the question in today's video. I changed how I look at the app a little bit, and I'm seeing positive results. Numbers don't lie. My question to you is, what will you do with that information? And come check out my videos on Pedro, DoorDash, Santiago, Mr. Bet on You, as I continue to show you guys actual numbers. I show you everything that hits my screen, the good, the bad, the ugly. And you guys come along and I'm showing you how I am making over $30 an hour with DoorDash without taking all trash. And I don't take every order. DoorDash has changed. What will you do about it? And if you want more DoorDash content, check out this video here. I bring you guys videos with the RideShare Guy every Sunday. See you guys next week.